DOT or Department of Tourism and IATA accredited, and no cashback, ito yung no cashback and no affiliate program. Alright? So, compare naman sa atin dito sa Global Pinoy Travel and Tours, ang good news, hindi lang tatlo yung airline mo. 406 airlines yung mapapas sa'yo. Alright? So, you can book local and international tour packages, worldwide hotel reservation. Meron din po tayo, ma'am, sir, visa processing, and travel insurance, and international Wi-Fi. Okay? So, dito po, you own your portal. Ikaw ang magda-decide kailan mo bubuksan yung portal mo. Kasi, sa'yo na yan. Alright? So, meron po tayong office, with office, and no cash ban. Walang cash ban dito sa Global Pinoy. And, syempre, accredited po tayo sa Department of Tourism and IATA accredited. Ito pa yung pinakamaganda, ma'am sir, with cashback. Okay? With cashback and rebates and with affiliate program. Ayan. So, ganyan po kaganda dito po sa ating negosyo. So, ito na po yung inaabangan ng lahat. Ayan. So, magkano? Ayan. Parang ano na. Nakatulog na ba? So, ito yung franchise package natin. So, we have the franchise package. We have the option 1. Okay? So, si ma'am nagsusulat. Okay. Yung option 1 natin, this is a 5-in-1. 5-in-1 package. Ayan po yung itsura. Okay? So, pwede ka magkaroon ng office. Okay? So, office talaga siya. So, all-in-one na, actually, yung original price niya po is 599,000. Pakitaas yung may 599,000. Taas na po. Yung 599,000, ang good news, may special offer po tayo ngayon. That is 249,999,000 na lang. Ayan. 250,000. So, meron kayong 10 portals. Okay, 10 portals. And ito pa yung maganda, ma'am, kasi since 5-in-1 siya, may payment center ka na, may show na connection